Intro. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you tried to step onto another planet? Would you burn alive, freeze instantly, or be crushed by the atmosphere? Today, we're taking a terrifying journey through the solar system to discover what dying on every planet would actually be like. Let's begin. Mercury. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. By day, the surface reaches over 430 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. Your skin would burn instantly, your eyes would boil, and within seconds, you'd be reduced to ash. But at night, the temperature drops to negative 180 degrees Celsius. You would freeze solid, shattering like glass if touched. On Mercury, death comes by fire or by ice. Venus. Welcome to hell. Venus looks like Earth's twin, but don't be fooled. The air is 96% carbon dioxide, and the pressure is 90 times greater than Earth's. Step here, and your lungs collapse before you even take a breath. The surface is hotter than 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and the clouds rain sulfuric acid. On Venus, you're crushed, burned, and dissolved all at once. Earth. And here's Earth, the only planet where life actually works. Let's move on before we ruin it. Mars. Mars, the red planet. The atmosphere is less than 1% as thick as Earth's. Try to breathe, and your blood begins to boil as pressure drops. You'd pass out in 30 seconds and die within 2 minutes. Then the cold takes over. At minus 63 degrees Celsius, your body would freeze solid, preserved for centuries. Jupiter. Jupiter, the gas giant. There's no solid ground here, just endless storms. Fall in, and you're caught in the Great Red Spot, a hurricane bigger than Earth, with winds over 600 kilometers per hour. Deeper down, the pressure increases. It would crush your body like a soda can. Fall for hours until your atoms themselves collapse. Dying on Jupiter is being swallowed by infinity. Saturn. Saturn. Beautiful, but deadly. Like Jupiter, it has no surface. Fall inside, and you're ripped apart by winds faster than the speed of sound. Even if you survive that, the pressure below would vaporize you instantly. Uranus. Uranus, the coldest planet in the solar system. Temperatures drop to negative 224 degrees Celsius. The air is toxic hydrogen and methane. You'd suffocate in seconds, and your body would freeze, splintered by crystals of blue ice. Dying on Uranus is slow, cold, and sharp. Neptune. Neptune, home to the fastest winds in the solar system. 2,100 kilometers per hour, faster than bullets. Your body would be tossed, torn, and shredded long before the pressure crushed you. Neptune doesn't just kill you, it erases you. Pluto. And finally, Pluto, not officially a planet, but still a graveyard of ice. Here, temperatures sink to negative 229 degrees Celsius. You'd suffocate instantly and freeze into a human statue, preserved in the endless dark. Outro. So what have we learned? On Mercury, you burn or freeze. On Venus, you're crushed and dissolved. On Mars, you suffocate and freeze. On Jupiter and Saturn, you're torn apart and crushed. On Uranus and Neptune, you shatter in cold and storms. And on Pluto, you simply stop existing. Maybe Earth isn't such a bad place after all.